Hello and welcome to the Genuine Learning Blog. My name is Melissa Galasso, and today we're going to talk about something a little different. Normally we stick to the topics of A&A here, but I always love a good standard. And this time we're going to talk about updated statements on standards for tax services. So a little bit of a deviation from what we normally talk about, but it's important to note that accountants and auditors aren't the only ones subject to standards. So while we often think standards, we think audit standards or accounting standards, there are statements on standards for tax services, and they are updated effective January 1st of 2024. So many of our clients who perform audits also do some tax work, so I thought it'd be important just to remind everyone. They did put these out for proposal back in 2022, but they did make some changes there. So first and foremost, they did update and create a new structure to organize their standards by type of work, similar to how we probably do our attestation standards, right? We separate out our examinations from our AUPs and our reviews. They have reorganized them based on that. They also added 3 new standards, no surprise, data protection being one of them. Obviously, they need to make reasonable efforts to safeguard taxpayer data, obviously consider privacy laws, etc., especially if they're collecting and storing data. Obviously, doesn't impact our client confidentiality rules there. They also have a reliance on tools, just like auditors. Tax preparers use tax tools, right? So whether it is a tax prep software or it's tax research software or tax planning software or statistical models, obviously they still need to use their own professional judgment and obviously are not able to absolve themselves of any professional obligations because of the use of this. Oh, the tax software told me so. Still required to obviously know the standards, the same way auditors can't say, but that's what PPC told me, or that's what Knowledge Coach told me, right? Still responsible for ultimately those standards. And then they added a brand new section on representation of clients before tax authorities. Again, just talking about what those applicable standards would be when you are going to represent before those items. And so 3 new standards plus the reorg that are in there now. Back in 2022, they did do an ITC around quality management, and I am looking forward to hearing where we take that next. All right, this one's short and sweet and to the point, but I always like to throw some fun things in there, especially with the holidays coming around. This is our blog that is going to be the last one for right now. We're going to take next week off because next Thursday is Thanksgiving. So I want to wish all of you a very happy Thanksgiving and hope you have time with your friends and family. And we will resume the week after Thanksgiving. So that is going to be a wrap right now. So have a wonderful Thanksgiving and we will see you post Thanksgiving. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.